Because without you, I'll die.
Oh, that was cute.
You like that?
That was cute. I mean, my boyfriend wouldn't, but yeah.
What's up, y'all? I hope y'all having a lovely day, cause I am. Yes, as y'all can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing a pickup line on females using the Monkey app. I'm gonna see if it works. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go well, no cap. But you know, if you're new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, we gonna get straight into the video. Yo.
Hi.
How you doing, Atom?
Okay. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Bless you.
Thank you. I'm allergic to beautiful girls.
You're funny.
Thank you. I try. How you doing, though?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Where you from?
Oklahoma.
You from Oklahoma?
Yes.
What's out there?
Nothing at all.
Damn, that's crazy. I'm from Texas.
Texas? What part?
Houston.
Houston?
Yeah. They say in Texas everything is bigger and better.
Yeah. I used to live in Texas, actually. Yeah. You have a nice smile.
Oh, appreciate it.
Hello.
Buenos dias.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm good. How about you, Ceiling?
I'm doing ceiling. I'm in person, as you can see.
Yeah, I couldn't see you because you know the camera was pointed up at the ceiling, so that's what I was saying.
That's good. I like the paintings behind you. Did you do it yourself?
Yeah. Can I see you again? Oh, that's lit. That's lit.
You have that behind me, and I have another painting. It's on the floor. Let me get it. Huh?
I said, are you a phone charger?
My phone is charging.
No, I'm saying, are you a phone charger?
A phone charger?
No. I said, add time real quick.
Huh?
I said, are you a phone charger?
No.
Because without you, I'll die.
Oh, that was cute.
You like
That
that?
was cute. I mean, my boyfriend wouldn't, but yeah.
That's cool. I mean, at this time, you ain't got no boyfriend, so since you talking to me, you ain't got no boyfriend.
But you be, I got a boyfriend.
You ain't got no boyfriend. Since we talking, you bae now.
Boy! No, like he's 5'2". Oh my god, I'm 5'2". He's 5'6". And he's a little bit taller than me. He's cute. He has like really long hair.
But your sister called. But your sister said he ugly though.
He is ugly. He's a
Damn. Yo, what's up?
What?
Damn, I must be in the museum. Cause you a work of art.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You like that? Hey, y'all see how I talk? Like I had to play it cool real quick, and then had to actually look. Yay! Yo, what's up?
Are you drawing?
Yeah.
Because those pictures look nice.
Appreciate it. I appreciate it. What you want? Alright, yeah. Y'all see my dog wanna be in it too, man. Y'all see. She trying to be in the vid. You feel me? So we gonna use her, man. We gonna use her for the vid, bruh. Y'all see it, bro. What's up, Hope? She finna take the sign over. What's good?
What's that?
Where you driving to?
Man, what you doing?
I'm chilling. Where you driving?
I got a beauty supply.
What? What you about to get? Add time. What you finna get me in there?
What you need at the beauty supply?
You know, I need some coconut oil. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to lay my edges right. I'm trying to get my edges laid like you.
I just want to get some lashes.
Oh, what? You want me to put them on for you?
You gonna put my lashes on for me?
Yeah. You gotta put like the glue on there, right? You gotta put the glue on there, and then like you use tweezers and then like do that, right?
Yeah.
See, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional.
You got
Yeah, I got that little sauce. I can do that. I can do that. Yeah, how long it's gonna take you?
What you mean?
Like to go to the beauty store?
Probably like 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
Damn, that's too long. You gonna have me waiting that long?
Where you at? First of all, where you from?
I'm from Texas. Where you from?
What part?
Houston.
I'm from California.
What?
Where are you from? Houston? I want to
Yeah.
move to Houston.
For real? I'm supposed to be going to Cali. What part of Cali you
Where?
from?
I'm from LA.
Oh, that's definitely where I'm going to. Like no cap.
No cap in your rap.
Yeah, my homeboy stay out there. I'm supposed to be going out there in the summer.
Baby, summer is canceled.
Nah, not for me. My dog gonna be in it. She gonna be getting all the clout now. Yo, I like your lip gloss.
Thank you.
No problem.
I like that dog.
Appreciate it. You wanna pet that dog?
I was just about to say that.
Yo,
Hello.
I'm trying to get my hair curly like yours. How I do that?
I'm naturally born like that.
What's your ethnicity?
I'm Haitian, black, and
What?
white.
You Haitian? I'm Haitian too.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, come on, yeah.
What's your? I don't speak.
You don't speak it? Damn, that's crazy.
What's your last name?
Mark. It ain't nothing too
Mark?
crazy, yeah.
Oh,
What's your last name?
Govin.
Oh yeah. You got that foreign name, yep. What's your first name?
Teresa.
Oh yeah, you got that foreign name. Oh yeah. But look, can I see your face real quick? Okay. I was just wondering if you had like a extra heart because mine was stolen.
That's a good line. That's good.
You like that?
I like that line. That's funny.
Hey. Hey. We got another success, you feel me? Another success. I feel like that went well. It was corny. That was corny. Ain't gonna cap it. It was corny, but it ain't good. Yo,
Hi.
how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Where you from?
London. You?
I'm from Florida, but add time real quick.
My auntie's from Tampa.
For real? Have you ever been to Florida?
Yeah. I came to Tampa when I was like only 12. I've been since.
Oh shoot, that's lit. But I just wanted to say I'm not a photographer, but I could picture me and you together.
That was good.
You like that one?
I rate that one.
What would you rate that one?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Okay. What would you rate me though?
The same.
An 8 out of 10. What am I missing?
Nothing.
Nothing?
It's a lot to hit a 10. Like.
Okay. I like the accent
right
though.
now, you're in quarantine and chill, so I guess when you dress up, you might be.
Oh, okay. But I'm gonna try to come to where you from again?
London.
From London, yeah. London sounds beautiful. What's the best thing in London? Like what's there to do?
There's loads of things to do. London's really good. Like
What?
it's a busy city. You can go see Buckingham Palace. You go to Hyde Park. Oxford Street is just shopping, like high fashion.
Oh, you got them big old binoculars on.
What the fuck?
You got them big old binoculars. Yo. Oh snap.
Okay.
What's good? Did you eat Lucky Charms this morning?
I did not, no.
Oh, that's crazy, because you look magically delicious.
I'll be back with your friend.
Oh, snap, bro. Oh, are you a magician?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm high as fuck right now.
Damn, because every time I look at you, everybody else disappears.
Oh, that's sweet.
Hey. Had to get me a little snow bunny in there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, let's feel that. What'd you say? Hey, don't like those big boys, really?
Nah, bro, where your eyebrows at, though?
Hold on, I
Hey, where your eyebrows at, man? Yo, what's up?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
I'm good. So look, I'm from Florida, but I got a question though. Do you have a pencil?
Do I have a pencil?
Yeah.
I got a pencil.
All right, bet. Do me a favor and erase your past so I can write our future together.
What?
I said, do me a favor and erase your past so I can write our future together.
Okay, I'm gonna put the pencil back.
Ah, I'm ugly?
No, you're not ugly. I didn't get it, so.
Cause I'm trying to erase your history and make ours come true in the future.
Yeah, at first I didn't get it though, bro.
Oh, that's crazy. I must be
But you're
ugly.
not ugly. No,
Look,
you're
rate me though. Rate me real quick.
You a good 9.
A 9. I appreciate that.
Well, that sounds like cool shit.
Damn, who that?
Ask, is it true that black boys don't like black girls?
Nah, I love my queens,
Thank you.
but I don't love you. What's up? Oh, this is my first time seeing a dog on here. That's crazy. Can you talk to my dog though? Can you talk to her? Yo. Hello. How you doing? Look, I got a question though.
What happened?
I said I got a question. So like, I lost my teddy bear, and I was wondering if I could sleep with you instead.
I like that one. For that, yes, I like the effort.
Thank you.
I like working in the background. Wait, that's not Muzi. That's Rick, innit?
Yeah, where? Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah. That's Rick. You got a good eye. Yo.
What's poppin'?
What's poppin'? What's good with you?
Not much.
Add some time though. I'm trying to tell you something. So look, on a scale of 1 to 10, if I had to rate you, I'd give you a 9 because I'm the only one that you need. You like that?
No, smooth.
Oh, smooth?
Yeah.
I feel that. So what you up to?
Not much.
Nothing much. Who is that?
Who's who?
You looking up and stuff. I heard somebody. Who is that?
It's my sister right here.
Oh, older or younger?
She's older.
Older? By how much?
2 years.
2 years? How old are you?
I'm 17. She's 19.
Okay. Alright, both of y'all rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 though.
A 9.5.
A 9.5. Can I see your sister? Can she like get in the screen too?
Huh? Oh shit.
Okay. Yo,
What's up?
what's good? So look, hold on, add time real quick. Alright, look. Check this out. So I'm a snack and you a snack too. Let's have a picnic. Me and you and a blanket. What's up? What's up? We can have a quarantine. We can have a quarantine and chill picnic.
That's not very social distancing of you.
I mean, look, I'm just trying to get to know you. I feel like that's a perfect way, you know.
I don't want the Rona, I'm sorry.
I don't have it though.
You don't know that.
I don't have it.
You don't know that.
Oh, you're not gonna say.
Get the Rona.
That's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it because I had fun with it. No cap, I did have fun with it. Like the video, leave a comment. Let me know if y'all want a part 2. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. We're only going up from here. And hey, y'all stay safe, stay quarantined. Y'all bless up.